What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the new iOS 11.4.1 build number 15G77. And first off, as you can see, I'm not jailbroken and I do not have cydia yet. Now what you need to do is simply from your iOS device start up your Safari browser and go to this address here, Pangu 11.mobile, and here you will get a brief explanation how this works, and they will tell you that you can't install cydia on a device that has not been jailbroken, but you can of course install Apple approved apps, like Cooking Fever as an example. Now, the Pangu team has found a smart way to simply hide the jailbreak and cydia inside of an approved application. So the result is that you get an approved application that has cydia and the jailbreak hidden inside of it. So when you start this application, you also start the jailbreak and the installation of cydia in the background. So you can read for yourselves. But anyway, go to pangu11.mobile and scroll to the bottom. Now click on this icon here at the bottom to get to the free jailbreak injected apps store. Now when you click this link, usually you're taken directly to a free jailbreak injected app. All of the apps are free, of course. Sometimes you get taken to stupid ad sites and crap, but if you do, then simply go back and try again. Seems like I got a jailbreak injected app straight away. So now we are simply going to install this free jailbreak injected app and start it up. And now that I have started this app, the jailbreak process and the installation of cydia and so on is running in the background. So you need to keep this app up and running for about 30 seconds or so to give the jailbreak time to install itself. You don't need to do anything in the app, so don't sign up for any offers or anything if there are any such in the app. They won't help. Either it works straight away or it doesn't work at all. I'm just gonna restart my device now that approximately 30 seconds have passed. Now, these apps sometimes get patched, and when they do get patched, it simply means that they no longer work. So I'm just going to restart my device. If the app doesn't work, then it simply means that it has been patched and you just need to try another one. But of course, all apps are 100% free, 100% free and direct downloads. All the sites with so-called human verification are fake. Avoid them, they are just scams. And that's the Pangu symbol. That's a good sign that it worked. Like I said, sometimes these apps get patched, and if they do, then simply just try another one. They are all 100% free. There are no human verifications or surveys or any crap like that. Everything that has that are fakes. Especially human verification are very popular scams when it comes to jailbreaks. So if you see human verification, just turn around or walk away. It's a scam. Anyway, looks like the jailbreak worked on first try. And here we have cydia, fully functional. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is. Okay. I get a random error message every now and then. Usually it's just a temporary network error. But anyway, everything here is working as intended. And really, that's how easy it is to jailbreak the new iOS 11.4.1. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and you like this jailbreak, please do comment, rate and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.